Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, Nepal Health Professional Council Act 2053 for Special Diagnostic Radiographer Part 2 for VBI for license examination. Question number 1. Average lifespan of human RBC is A. 90 days, B. 4 months, C. 120 days, D. 100 days, and E. Both B and C. Correct answer E. Both and C. Question number 2. Maximum amount of urea is present in A. Renal vein, B. dorsal aorta, C. hepatic portal vein, D. hepatic vein. इसको correct answer hepatic vein D. Question number 3. Which of the following organ contain the bundle of his? A. Pancreas, B. Heart, C. Brain, D. Kidney. That's correct answer B. Heart. Question number 4. Heartbeat originated from the A. AV nodes, B. Purkinje fiber, C. SA nodes, and D. None. That's correct answer A. AV nodes. Question number 5. If the voltage of an X-ray tube is doubled, the intensity of X-ray will becomes A. half, B. unchanged, C. double, D. 4 times. That correct answer B. unchanged. Question number 6. Question number 6. The wavelength of X-ray is A. 2000 A, B. 2A, C. 1 mm, D. 1 cm. That correct answer B is 2A angstrom. B is the correct answer. Question number 7. The X-ray photon energy range which will be most appropriated and produce the best contrast with A. 25 kV, D. 30 kV, B. 30 near 45 kV, C. 33 degree 40 kV, D. और इसको that's correct answer B. That correct answer C. 33 kV, 40 kV. Correct answer C. Question number 7 को correct answer C. 33 kV, 40 kV. Question number 8. Which amount of the following is the strongest cartilage? A. Hyaline cartilage, B. elastic cartilage, C. white fibrous cartilage, and D. both A and B. That correct answer C. white fibrous cartilage. Question number 9. Pavement epithelium is another name for A. cuboidal epithelium, B. collared epithelium, C. simple camegal epithelium, D. all. That correct answer C. simple camegal epithelium. B. collared होइन ciliated हुनु पर्यो. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Formation of bone is known as A. cartilage, B. ossification, C. hemophasis, D. knot. That is correct answer B. ossification. If formation of formation of cartilage is known as cartilage हुनु पर्यो र B यसको correct answer B. ossification. Question number 11. Stiffed muscle have 1 nuclei, B. many nuclei, C. 2 nuclei, D. no nuclei. That's correct answer B. many nuclei. Question number 12. Question number 12. Myoglobin is found in A. muscle, B. blood, C. liver, D. spleen. That's correct answer A. muscle. Now question number 13. Question number 13. Which of the के दिए को व्हिच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज स्टोर इन ब्लड ए लिवर बी किडनी सी स्प्लीन डी हार्ट दैट करेक्ट आंसर सी स्प्लीन व्हिच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग स्प्लीन क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 मार्क द वर्ड वन मार्क द वर्ड वन यसमध्ये एउटा हुनु पर्यो एउटा नहुनु पर्यो सबै हुनु पर्यो तर एउटा नहुनु पर्यो ए मोनोसाइट बी न्यूट्रोफिल सी लिम्फोसाइट डी एरिथ्रोसाइट हामीले डब्ल्युसीमा पढेको लिम्फोसाइट मोनोसाइट न्यूट्रोफिल एसिफिल बेसिफिल दैट्स करेक्ट आंसर डी एरिथ्रोसाइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 व्हिच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी इन ह्यूमन बॉडी लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी इन ह्यूमन बॉडी ए aorta B pulmonary artery C pulmonary vein D not that correct answer A aorta largest artery in the human body aorta. Now question number 16 which of the following are not component of the circulatory system which of the following are not component of the circulatory system A capillary B vein C villi D both A and B that correct answer C villi no circulatory system में capillary vein और artery हुनु पर्यो but artery no छैन भन्नाले that correct answer is villi भन्नाले हामीलाई इन्टेस्टाइनमा पाइन्छ. Now question number 17 the filament voltage applied of X-ray tube is the filament voltage applied for X-ray tube question option A 25 volt B 12 volt C 220 volt D 5 volt that correct answer के हुनु पर्यो द फिलामेंट वोल्टेज अप्लाइड फर एक्स 12 वोल्टेज बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 कैथोड इज ए चार्जलेस बी नेगेटिव सी पॉजिटिव डी ऑल VVI फॉर लाइसेंस क्वेश्चन कैथोड इज नेगेटिव चार्ज बी इज करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 19 Foxing cup is made of current B filament or C nickel D uranium. Foxing cup is made of के हुन्छ nickel इसको that's correct answer is C. Question number 20 what is the atomic number of filament is A 61 B 50 C 56 D 74 that is correct answer is D 74. Question number 21 what is the grid ratio of general radiography what is the grid ratio of general radiography A 10:1 B 20:1 C 4:1 D 5:1 that correct answer is A 10:1. Question number 22 what is the measurement units of CT scan A Tesla B slash C meter D intensity that is correct answer is B slash and Tesla is a measurement of MRI. Question number 23 which of the following MRI sequence is most important in neuroradiology now A STIR B FLIR C both A and B and D not that is correct answer is B FLAIR fluid accumulations inverse recovery STIR short tail inverse recovery that is correct answer is B FLAIR. Now question number 24 what is the full form of DSA A digital submitted angiography B. Direct subtraction and geography. C. Digital subtraction and geography. D. No. That is correct answer is DESA. Digital subtraction and geography. Now question number 25. Who is discovered electrons? A. Rutherford. B. James Chadwick. And C. J.J. Thomson. D. None. That is correct answer is the electrons. J.J. Thomson. Now question number 26. Made of semiconductor is A. Silicon. B. Germanium. C. Copper. D. Both and B. That is correct answer. D. Both A and B. Now question number 27. Which of the following components of MRI machine? A. Copper. And B. A. Copper. And B. Aluminium. C. Helium. D. Magnet. Okay, so देखो which of the following is components of MRI machine? That is correct answer is D. Magnet. Components उन्नाले D. Magnet. Now question number 28. Energy of the laser beam required to read latent imaging is order of A. 4 electron, B. 8 electron, C. 2 electron volt and D. 3 electron volt. That is the correct answer is C. 2 electron volt. के आंसर हुन्छ एनर्जी लेसर बीमको लागि. Now question number 29. Lorentz projection is done for. यो Lorentz projection कहाँ हुन्छ हामीलाई हिप जोइन्टमा हुन्छ. बोथ अफ हिप जोइन्ट. Now A. anterior oblique hip joints. B. posterior oblique hip joints. C. posterior oblique pelvis. D. None. That is correct answer. Lorentz projection posterior oblique hip joints. Now question number 30. The anterior oblique projection for the petrous bone is known as A. Townes view. B. Stamber's view. C. SM view. SM view भन्नाले submental vertical submental vertical. D. Reverse Townes view. That is correct answer is B. Stamber's view. Anterior oblique projection of the petrous bone like Stamber's view. Question number. Now ended my lecture. Coming soon part 3. Thank you all of you. Okay.